How to change your phone number on PayPal application. Are you facing issue to change your phone number on PayPal? If that's so, then this video might help you out. In this video, I'll guide you how you can edit or change your phone number. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open PayPal on your mobile device. Once you open the PayPal app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you'll be forwarded to the sections. You can see multiple options over here. Just simply tap on personal info. After you click on it, you can see the option for phone number. Click on it. You need to add another phone number so that you can convert it to the primary one. Click on continue. Now write down your phone number. After you write it down, click on add. Once you click on add, you can switch it up as your secondary phone number. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to change our phone number on PayPal application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.